Pwede bang maging cancer ang BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia? Yan yung tanong ni Jimmy Chua. Kanina lang, tinanong niya, may posibilidad bang maging cancer yung may BPH na pasyente? So, maging technical lang tayo, mabilis. Pag sinabi mong BPH, that's benign prostatic hyperplasia. Automatic, it's in the name. Pag sinabing benign, hindi cancerous. Okay? Pero, may merit naman yung pagtatanong niya. Kapag ang premise ng iniisip niya, pwede bang precursor ng prostate cancer ang BPH? This is a good question. Na-explore na to 10-20 years ago ng mga researchers on prostate cancer. So, thanks Jimmy dun sa tanong mo. This is very interesting and it's really relevant to men, to all men. Okay? So, ito, merong sumagot na 2012. Is there a link between BPH and prostate cancer? Sagutin ko yan mamaya. Pero, natakpan lang. Are men with lower urinary tract symptoms at increased risk of having prostate cancer? May 2 studies. Natakpan ko tong isa, sorry. Lumalabas na yung lower urinary tract symptoms. So, yung kapag ihi ka ng ihi or hindi ka makaihi, ihi ka ng ihi sa gabi, nagkakaroon ka ng overflow, yung fun-wise na tinukoy ko last time, sinasabi naman na hindi yun correlated sa increased risk of having prostate cancer. Dito, ito na yung mismong sasagot doon sa tanong ni Jimmy Chua. Is there a link between BPH and, oops, nawala ako. Wait. Come on. Yeah. Is there a link between BPH and prostate cancer? Lumalabas na yung prostate, ang BPH ay hindi precursor ng prostate cancer. Okay? So, hindi ibig sabihin na meron kang BPH ay may increased risk ka na ng prostate cancer. Pero, ang lumabas sa study na to ay kapag meron kang BPH, dahil nga i-investigate, yung mga lalaki may BPH ay ini-investigate, sine-check ng doktor, inooperahan, tumataas yung chances na makapag-discover ng cancer. Okay? Sa general population yun. But that doesn't mean na kapag meron kang BPH ay at increased risk ka na of having cancer itself. Okay? Sana nasagot ko na maigi yung tanong ni Jimmy Chua na kung may posibilidad ba na maging cancer yung BPH na pasyente. There's a very slim chance, pero yung idea of malignant transformation is really not correlated to this. Okay? Kung meron pa kayong tanong, you can post them here or you can message them on all my socials. Thank you very much for your question, Jimmy. Ako po si Doc Drew, urologist. Thanks for watching.